Unit 4, Young Scientist. From which launch pad did the Mars Orbiter mission probe lift off? First launch pad. Which PSLV rocket flight was used in Mangalyaan launch? C-25. What is the planned duration of Mangalyaan mission? 6 months. Which of this is not the payload in Mangalyaan mission? Thermal Sensing Check TSC. For electric power generation, how many solar array panels are there in Mangalyaan spacecraft? B. 3. Next, atoms and molecules. The three basic components of an atom are protons, neutrons and electrons. An element is determined by the number of protons. The nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. What electric charge does a single proton have? Positive charge. Which particles have approximately the same size and mass as each other? Protons and neutrons. The atomic number of an atom is number of protons. Changing the number of neutrons of an atom changes its isotope. When we change the number of electrons of an atom, we produce a different ion. According to atomic theory, electrons are usually found outside the nucleus and often far from it. Next, Indian scientist. He was born on October 6, 1893 in Shiora Tali, a village in the district of Dhaka, now in Bangladesh. He was the fifth child of his parents. His father was a grocer in the village. He had his early schooling in the primary school of the village, Mekhanand Saha. He was born on September 15, 1860 in Udanahalli village in the Kolar district of erstwhile princely state of Mysore, presently the Karnataka. His father Srinivasa Shastri was a Sanskrit scholar and Ayurvedic practitioner. His mother Venkachamma was a religious lady. He lost his father when he was only 15 years old. Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. Next, he was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, sometimes referred to as the birdman of India. He took extreme interest and excitement in studying birds closely and categorizing them. Salim Ali. He was a renowned paleobotanist and a geologist of India. He studied the fossils of the Indian subcontinent. He is credited for establishing an institute of national importance for paleobotany at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Birbal Saini. Next, he was an Indian physicist. He was a co-discoverer of Raman scattering, for which his mentor C.V. Raman was rewarded the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics. Sir Kariyam Manikam Srinivasa Krishnan. He was an eminent scientist of the 20th century. His best known work is that he had conceived along the Viswanathan Sashigeran to understand the structure of peptide. G.N. Ramachandran. Next, Global Indians, India Unlimited, Unit 5. He joined the world's largest software company in 1992 and has since orchestrated some of the biggest cloud computing projects in the world, all the while keeping his head firmly out of them. Presently, he is the CEO of the company, Satya Nadella. He is an Indian sculptor who has lived and worked in London since the early 1970s. Who? Anish Kapoor. Then next, Preet Bharara. He is an Indian American attorney and the U.S. Attorney of the Southern District of New York. This Indian is an American actor and comedian who Aziz Ansari. Next, he is the Indian origin steel tycoon. He is the chairman of CEO of ArcelorMittal. Lakshmi Mittal, related that one, okay. He is an American hotelier and former actor. He has carved a name for himself in the luxury hospitality industry. Vikram Chatwal. Next, guest in India. He was a Greek ethnographer and explorer in the Hellenistic period, who Megasthenes. He was a Russian merchant and one of the first Europeans to document his visit to India. Afanasy Nikitin. He was a Chinese Buddhist monk, scholar, traveler and translator who Huinsang. He traveled to the Indian subcontinent and became the most important interpreter who Al-Biruni. He was a Moroccan explorer of Berber descent. He is known as for his extensive travels who Ibn Battuta. He was an Italian merchant traveler from Venice whose travels are recorded in Livres des Marvelius du Monde. Marco Polo. Who is that one person? Marco Polo. Next, states and union territories. As per the 2011 census, the city has the population of 34,970. Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh was the union territory until 1987. Answer that one. Mizoram. Name the newest state of India. That one Telangana. Next, which river flows through Lucknow? Which one? Gomti. In which Indian state is the Sanskrit one of the official language? Uttarakhand. Which one? Uttarakhand. What is the state flower of Haryana? Lotus. Which state has its state tree as the almond? Jammu and Kashmir. Next, which state has the largest population? Uttar Pradesh. In which state is the Elephant Falls located? Meghalaya. Next, when was Telangana formed? 2 June 2014. Who took oath as the first Chief Minister of Telangana? Chandrasekhar Rao. Which of the following dynasties ruled Telangana? Kakatiya. When was Telangana merged with Andhra Pradesh? 1 November 1956. Children, already I explained when I taken this chapter. You go through that videos also and you have to check it your answer is correct. All answer given in backside of the book. Even then you have to check it and practice it.